Knowband WooCommerce VideoMate Extension, Functional Overview. Enhance your WooCommerce store with Knowband's VideoMate Extension. Add product demos, testimonials, or promos with ease. No coding needed. Includes floating video pop-ups and a customizable carousel for an engaging shopping experience. Knowband WooCommerce VideoMate Extension. Knowband's WooCommerce VideoMate lets you display videos on product, home, category, and other key pages to boost engagement. Homepage. Add promotional or brand videos to instantly connect with shoppers. Product page. Display tutorials, usage guides, or review videos to help customers make informed decisions. Category page. Insert relevant videos for product categories to enhance product discovery. Easy video upload and placement. Manage videos effortlessly with Knowband's WooCommerce VideoMate, no coding needed. Upload videos directly from your system, no need for external platforms. Add videos to product pages, homepage, category listings sections. Preview, delete, or replace videos effortlessly from the WooCommerce admin panel. Set the playback duration for each video before transitioning to the next one. Have questions or suggestions about the WooCommerce VideoMate extension? We're happy to assist. Email support@knowband.com. Helpdesk www.knowband.com/helpdesk. Explore more WooCommerce modules at www.knowband.com. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more e-commerce solutions by Knowband.